Hi student, today we will discuss nth root of unity of complex number, which is very important and exclusively important for JEE Advanced aspirant. Okay, so let's start. So today's topic is nth root of unity. Okay, so what is actually nth root of unity? So it is actually mean we have to find such a number omega, may be real or complex number, okay, such that if we power this to the power n of omega, then we get 1. So the obvious number which satisfies this equation is nothing but w is equals to 1. So w is equals to 1 is a one solution, and which is the real solution of this equation. Okay, and the question is that whether there is another real solution of this equation, and the answer is not. Okay, w is equals to 1 is the only solution of this equation. And what is the other, if there are other solution? If yes, then what is the other solution? And this solution must be complex. Okay, so how to do this? Omega to the power n is equals to 1, and 1, you know that 1 is equals to, in complex number, 1 plus 0 into I. Okay, and in cos and sine terms, we can write that 1 is equals to cos 2k pi plus I sine 2k pi. Okay, because cos 2k pi is equals to 1 and sine 2k pi is equals to 0. Okay, and in exponential form we can write that e to the power I 2k pi. So that is equals to omega to the power n. So omega is equals to e to the power I 2k pi by n, and k values to 0, 1, 2 dot 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 n minus 1. And obviously if k is equals to 0, then omega is equals to e to the power I into 0 is equals to 1. So for k is equals to 0, we get one solution, that is the omega is equals to 1, and that is the real solution. And we get, if we take k is equals to 1, then omega, and take this omega k, okay, for simplification. So k is equals to 1, we get k is equals to 1, it is k 0, it is nothing but e to the power I 2 pi by n. For k is equals to 2, omega 2 is equals to e to the power I 2 pi into 2 by n, and so on for k for k is equals to n minus 1, omega n minus 1 is equals to e to the power I 2 pi into n minus 1 by n. Okay, so what is the geometrical significance of this number? So we get like omega 0 is equals to 1, and omega 1, omega 2 dot 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 omega n minus 1, and that is the n solutions. Okay, n solutions of nth root of unity, that is the omega solutions of omega to the power n to the power omega to the power n is equals to 1. Okay, this is the n solution, and which is the clear that we get one real solution and n minus 1 complex solution. So nth root of unity for, so we get a point for nth root of unity, we have 1 and only one real solution and n minus 1 complex solution. Okay, so what is the geometrical significance of this number or nth root of unity? What is the geometrical interpretance? The geometrical interpretance of this nth root of unity is that if we plot this root, nth roots, that is the n1 and n minus 1 complex root in the complex plane we get a unit circle and they are spaced in a equal angle between two consecutive number. Okay, if this is the omega 1, this is the omega 2, this is the omega 3 and omega 4 dot dot dot, and the last one will be omega n minus 1, and every angle is 2 pi by n. Okay, you can check that, like if we take omega 1, take any arbitrary value, that is omega k is equals to e to the power I 2 pi k by n, and omega k minus 1 is equals to e to the power I 2 pi k minus 1 by 1. Then if we divide this, or this we know argument, if we subtract these two arguments, that like 2 pi n k minus 2 pi by n k minus 1, so we get 2 pi by n k minus k plus 1, that is the 2 pi by n. So this equal, these all angle are equal and they are equals to the 2 pi by n. Okay, and this real line, it is the 1, obviously it is the 1, and this whole point are, so this is circular radius 1 obviously, and all the root point nth root are situated on the unit circle, so it is nothing but unit circle. Okay, and if we consider n is equals to, if we consider take in the next page, if you consider n is equals to 3, then there is omega cube to n equals to 1, then the root will be 1, omega 1 and omega 2, and omega 1 is nothing but minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2, and omega 2 is equals to minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2, and in complex plane they are drawn like this is the 1, this is omega 1, this is the omega 2. Okay, for center this angle is the 2 pi by 3, this is the 120 degree, and this angle is 4 pi by 3. Okay, and this omega 1 also right is omega, and this omega 2 is omega square. So omega 2 we can write that omega 1 square. Okay, it is the for the particular case for n is equals to 3, and for this we get one simplified drawing in the complex plane. There is the unit circle, the point lies in the unit circle in this manner. Okay, and this, it is obviously a equilateral triangle. Okay, so in the next lecture I will discuss some very important properties of this nth root of unity, because these the things, because this omega to the power n, okay, these are polynomial equation of degree n. Since this is a polynomial equation of degree n, since this equation must possess some very distinctive identity or some properties. Okay, and that way I will discuss in the second lecture. So today is up to that, so thank you.